Welcome back. Pakistan is a resource-rich province which covers half of the country in terms of area, currently stands on the brink of mutiny. Baloch leaders believe that Islamabad has always exploited Baloch land in resources to run its factories and industries. The government says it has initiated a process of dialogue.
Who will negotiate? The main thing is the Prime Minister and Zardari, both of them are helpless people. Now command is in the hand of army. The main thing is Mr. Fekiani and his corps commanders.
Balochistan has witnessed 5 military operations. However, nationalist movements have become more organized.
This is more organized, more systematic, and more they know why they are fighting. At those wars were with Pakistan, there were tribal wars. But this is a political war. They are fighting against the Pakistan forces now.
In this least developed part of Pakistan, peace and development are always the first casualties of growing political uncertainty. Officials, however, claim the province has not developed because of the personal ambitions of some. The tribal system is always blamed for the province's backwardness.
There are 3 main reasons for it. The first reason is the social structure of population of Balochistan. We know it's a tribal society headed by the Sardar. The system is so effective and repressive in nature that there's almost no human rights available to the people in a tribe. You move into Balochistan, go to the remote areas, go to their strongholds, and you will see that people are living 300 years in the history.
On November 24th, the much-awaited Baluchistan package was presented in the parliament. Pakistan People's Party leaders believe this package will help address grievances that date back 60 years. Chief Minister Raisani, however, considers the 1940 resolution to be the answer.
I would go for the original version, that is 1940 resolution passed under the chairmanship of Muhammad Ali Jinnah in Lahore in the convention of All India Muslim League.
Ground realities need to be thoroughly assessed, and main stakeholders should be brought to the negotiating table to bring peace in this restive part of the country. The Baluchistan package has not only been rejected by Baloch nationalist parties. The Pashtunkhwa Milli Awami Party has also expressed its reservations, demanding due share for Pashtun-dominated areas of the province.
पश्तूनख्वा मिलिया पार्टी ये बात ज़रूरी समझती है कि इसमें पश्तून कौम को बराबरी की बुनियाद पे आईनी और कानूनी तहफ़्फ़ुज़ दिया जाए ताकि पश्तून कौम जो इस सूबे में बराबरी की बुनियाद पे रह रहे हैं उनके हक़ूक़ का तयन हो सके.
There seems to be no light at the end of the tunnel. The democratically elected government in Islamabad has failed to bring all the main stakeholders to the negotiating table. And the trust deficit between Islamabad and Baluchistan seems to have just grown. Political observers warn that if genuine grievances are not addressed through political means, it will only inflame militant tendencies, and even then, use of force may not be enough to silence guns in Balochistan. Syed Ali Shah, Dawn News, Quetta.